Ebama ye check for an pay live on the show. We know and some 5G and foreign news our energy drinker and also our just and a man to uko nyuma so the elbow a Manchester mood I come and watch you concentration and so about high number what you know what demapa and the abo nyuma no and also 5G our 5G foreign news no and I Emma ye check for an pay and some our show no so my main front to one him said your Monday night our Monday night football gamer I was a boss and any and not just a beer quine. I'm a Yamia Motina. You went for Champions League. I was a Barcelona and no, and some never to me a Barcelona. My main front to one himself, our brother came a Abaso Bonsa. Yet himself, we can Chamono. One some game in Tina, a ball a year 7 o'clock, all a Liga Moa, and I make us a Barcelona and some our stadium more in Sri Como Camino and some narrative Fire Sababocono. Now, so much Abaswana, our Brababokua. You found us a Bonsa Elponino, Jaminian Sarafina. You found us Ricardo de Bocos Banquasia, one of managers and Perifono, and some other side came at Jamana. Yet they update Emma, yet for an pay, and some our show no so. Now, report to me second and penny say, so much about Anna tree, our Brabansa, and some upon Nano, Metesa, yes, many Janus say, one more bomber to other said, I have final, and some Barcelona essence. What did he have us? Some finishes in the year. Now, Ampo Bassa Timono, La Liga Canabia mathematically. To Minche, I had title and first woman as well. I also come at my second position in here. Woman, some that to Minche. Now, Jama say, yes, a boss of one food say, I also must cement on position and some our second place, you know, and some other say about Boya Pa, about very vital at Jamania. Your father says Super Copa de España, and some Sabrubia draw Ababa Subiano, say one to Suye, now some Poentium press second, now just automatically, and yes, one Super Copa de España, no. Some about me Bobby our brano and some update about them and second and some other such media. Your father says Super Copaninti and I'm a manager Nana Trino. Woman treaty I have Valencia game to Sadia. Woman some other final arches and some update Alba. Now Mnas Bomodia Sakotana. Your father says Zavi Simons Obanyana at Development where a former product I'm a Barcelona Paris Saint-Germain for the Franukoi. I'm a PSG Ejakotano and some Netherlands and what about Germany, our Balon, Aquitano, and some other so. But now, when your first timer, I couldn't find sense of Simons, you know, one some upon a report. I mean, you say, yes, Bassa Fanapa, or my son, baby, our bad tester, Romatria Bassa Fay, and Aquitani Mwamia. Now, Dito Mocasa Aquitano, and some Mwamia, and say, one more Julia Bissa Aquitana, your father says of Simons, and some Abetimia, Jumana Sampo, our Braquatawe, and some our Baban Faswa, and some Adama Bassa. Now, latest, I mean, you say, oh, your boss of fun. I was some money, as I said, boy, no budget, animal lives, I can watch it. What best you could not say, boss of fun, some number, some of the number. Am I can retain a year to money? Yes, so Bueno Susabi, what ball are your boss, and some dumb, our broker, and also are crazy, our brother say no. One himself can be also boss at Jumadiano, one of some Abasama Bagnumpo, one of some Ababatuaso. Now, Ubabisa said, your boss, I was Sika. And also be a bouncer, any sika. Yes, transfer no. I am very possible. Our Brahmano can say already no. Metis a deco. Yes, on his required. Romasha said that about Brakuran Comodie, I just arrived from a year elementary stage is Linano. Yes, Mamasha said, Don't come out. Wama Tidia Sakotawe, and some other our brother Chibiano, Wama Tuaso at Yamabokua, your father's FC Barcelona, our brother Casano, and some update Elba. What Casa last week at a Baninano, make a choice of boss of players, no, your Frankie de Jong, I 1, and watch him about Robert Lewandowski, I 2, and after Ronald Araujo. And some 3 Emma make a player. Your father says Jules Kunde Omunano. Yes, in the Obian Honoma. Wabet Miakas or your untouchable our bossa. Nasa Sikana Baho, Nasabia Sikana Ayadia Sababuan Quadia, Woman Nabaja Kwamwako. Report to Minian and Nano Penisa, sir, yes, we are ready Cabato just some time ago. Sir, Manchester for say, Woman Dana Ronald Aroha, Woman's opening Nano, yes, and your fluke, our Bramano Casino, Manchester for the Sanye, more no mu kwa pampan so dia ene omo so abeto bi nampo akoda na ye fa no sa raho omo so pe esanse okaya ebe kakra bi ni ana be ka cho sa Manchester ede as many as players and Makuma 11 and some ana be transfer me ka cho sa Marcus Rashford ono edi ene dikala Abraham Magranom ana chasa wa fafara mu nyina no womo so awom tidia me se kan nyina no se womo so abako transfer market no so dia womo se Ronaldo Araho no womo so ape ewa brano pe no enom kakra eba na jaminya no nyina no se nyame ya doma watena UEFA Champions League matches no enom ababa so semi-final one nyame ya doma Wednesday Champions League game I was say no so abaso abato aso na jaminya no na pe ni se Wuram and so Bamunchen wa Bromo Bo Atia Aya Real Madrid. Mamen Fanto and him referee na wa free France I fan sa Clement Tupa. One manager so ba this gamer and also Ababaso Nampo an assistant and asenia. You can say video assistant referee Nyame Duma. Watchanam Aya Jerome Brissa. Wamumi no and Kwakrania. You can say big game Ajax and Abaso and what ya Dortmund and ya Wednesday. Ajax so called Signal Iduna. Ya Dortmund and Bobo your father said PSG now sama chana about somebody akwa referee Anthony Taylor now just a referee now man for club besa one opportunity our brand and we catch us one call Euros no ono and I just somebody Dortmund and PSG and some other man to say who come no bomber say bobo boy na wie one met say na referee say and a referee say our brand Anthony Taylor no and some other kwakwa say game so now video assistant referee and some IS Stuart at one nurse, Mammy Real Madrid, our brand on pay, Yabegram and some our studios by now cried here. Woman on board, our prominent Yabia and Chabiano, woman some other touch it down, and some our chess and near Fantasy Germany, Meno Casa and Anno Pay, and some other tamer, not just a Bobo Cry Fantasy, I Real Madrid, and so call live on TV, and I fell live on Facebook and also when some I Real Madrid, woman so call Porto and Sakanasa, Wabromo so call I Germany, one of them said, yes, sir. Akwadana fan Satibu Kotua, and some our squad dynamo, and what David Alaba Ayobia Pra, and also Akobi, Obanya Dana Kafaya, I are suspended. Listening national, Mamen fan to them and phone, and Sabia Alaba Pra, are you on board, and what Dana Kafaya, I are suspended, and also I on board. I'm an old casino, woman, you know, some Aqua Germany, Aqua Crescent, and Mansubetum Yakokama. Now, report to me, can say, I tell you, 10:30 nano pay. I was at Real Madrid, Omutimo, and some attach it down, and some our German Omuba drew I at 10:30. I don't buy a Ghana time and pay. Report to me, sir, can say, I bought I 11 o'clock, and our manager, Fancy Thomas Tuchel, the pre-match conference, Ababaso, now Thomas Tuchel pre-match conference, no, report to me, no. Any Akadana, your fan said Joshua Kemik, Omumiano, and some other Batanasi. I'm at the Canasa Prema Chinino, and no answer at me a basso, and what he a boy I Ghana time, and no I 2 o'clock. Metessa Omo final training session, one by our Sabana Strasser, a bomb I Ghana time, no 9 upon Samanama Kumako Enum, not just a 4-5 our Ghana, Jaminiano Real Madrid, manager Fancy Ancelotti, and some other Playano, one so pre-match conference, Ababaso. Our brand watching about Ghana time, and I can say 5 o'clock. And at Real Madrid, one final training session, our Alliance Arena, and some about our Braweno. I am proud to Yamia Motina. One game about our Braweno, said the itinerary, and some Messian and Nano Peno. Yet the update in the game and Yamia Duma, watching a Basso Unumsua, your father said Lothar Matthäus, and was say on your first watching a Bamunchin, our slight advantage, and some other Real Madrid legend and a Casalota Matthäus. I say on your full watch no Bamunchin for our slight advantage our bra one more some match na pass I no pay no ya den update ni na tepa wa bra ya kan Bamunchin asem no wonim say just a nas mama ura fan sa only hoiness and coach ya fan Thomas Tuchel wonim some only hoiness no wonom ai ne kan say just say when I just say another president and so I'm a Bavarian now none of them make a comment me I'm a coach anya de now comment to make ya anya coach ni de no na man fa no san kobare tracte o we fa no say only hoine say ha wono sabi onye hufuo onye mo kan sama na baba say oh ana mama kan ye ana fa cheme na den fa kwose masa won fa chensen enko bi afie an kan chere say bia kon akwam de me chensen ye me be paduane di wa kan adwen na obesa kan biem say wo de mo pam yo Thomas Tuchel we e basan kampo otena ana nka bia season anko ya anko besa ka say an ana players na omo honom omo nya de ana chese omo sa enu ntina ma ba mo ntin antimi ankwane mu so we your coach ne ma players and you can so complain I was so wo mo hwe ama improvement aba aye players no wo mo som afam et so be manager na under tutelage wo be ntimi improve ya na chese wo yo bia on hye anya de onom asemo kan no woni wo bia atem enu kwatrodo an wo ka I chese o man 10 times obesa kan 10 times na mom am some for and my yama kwakwa as one coach no and some our problem about brand of pain no and no I update free ora your father say only hoiness no one some other chance Thomas Tuchel so yeah and so ade ba ho some nyina no ye de ema ye te for enano pay and some our show no so afei mame aye bobo kwa fan say Arsenal onim say me no ka say manager your fan Arteta records no nas bomodian so project ama me sansa ye nyina nim say Arteta we winning 100th Premier League game na chesa o ka managers o ma winning matches ama akoma 100 na ano as I just Arteta and some ageni now surprisingly and shockingly all managers and said city or team no so any Facebook no so Arteta at the 10 matches fewer and I said 10 fewer games and nyanya and yeah can say 100 matches sir what manager fans Arsene Wenger or baba winning the 100th Premier League game no Wenger about 179 Arteta at the 169 and we're achieving 100 Premier League wins I just say on cry idea and some other time Wenger on that score and no now what problem for so masa on ya we baby be just what the title ni ade one trophy and just one who am a man for and some Sompa and the Sanya man in no when said your men said can so your father support Mason mama Paul Mason on akasaye and for Arsenal emani jano na Paul Mason say more respected coach na your father said Mikel Arteta na odini pass and Arsenal team na e dawa ni o makwa ni na masa why adwuma pa na dinti Arsenal entimi ni Premier League no and say the oya boxer now you heavyweight division oh hobby now now so pa ya catch us oya dia kanyina no so be title na mom say oh Mike Tyson bi wo ha be ma to adwene mu wuntimi ni title e ma ni nya yie na mom say Mike Tyson bi ani ho dia as a heavyweight boxer our chances so be title e dey so now so no e wo soro wo the football terms mu a Man City ewo ho wo form okra duru baby Liverpool so abenya form and it's as a city ntina ma ye densa Arteta betimi ade tight ni nyina chi no awo say mo bona ba so yentie ensema Paul Mason ekaye ade for Arsenal etim no ewa bro manager and some aye Chelsea Mikel Arteta yentie Paul Mason.
You know, you're only 7 behind Sir Alex Ferguson. You know, Jurgen Klopp, who's, you know, we say a legend. You know, he's 10 games. I mean, phenomenal. Absolutely. Fair play to him. Fair play. I know people go, yeah, but he hasn't won the league.
Does that matter?
And as Roy said, it's all about timings. Doesn't matter if you're a heavyweight. If you're a heavyweight challenger and Mike Tyson's about, you're not winning the world title. And it's a bit like that. You're just bang unlucky. You've got to accept that you were the second best at the time. And if they weren't about, I would have won. It's just timings, you know. How many people won the 400 hurdles when Michael Johnson was about? Yeah, no one. You know, and that's how it works. It's just timings. They're bang unlucky. They are bang unlucky.
Yes, and I can't free or red fan is Paul Mason as well. And so I did Bernardo pay live. Our brother foreign news in Nano. And also Emma for live on Sompa 93.1 FM live on Sompa TV Nafe live on the red Jonano pay. Now my main fan to him say or red fan say you're right. They are sending power back up. Now Pabani in answer said Liverpool HA was it or bomb person Man City and some bet me I skills to be a dropping a crabby. Now there's a Kobasebi on the last day. Woman in our crown points a part. Hallelujah. As a Premier League, you know, you the goals and the judge, our Bram, you know, many points in a pair. And I said the Arsenal, Asia goals, our Bram Rebbe, maybe catch us a manager, Fantasy Pepper say, about dear Basso, bet me a bridge, ISA gap now. Arsenal, AB, Archers, and your goals on the share. And told you a full sense of Comasampo, and 2 times so be almost points in a pair. Now say goals, Abakoye, and some day I'm Arsenal, Omutimo. Now I'm a real Fantasy Mikel Arteta, manager Fantasy Arteta say, still, I was Arsenal. As you are the better essence, one game I'm born and run off London Derby, no Cobasa, woman Tottenham, Ebon, Yamenqua, and Comobo draw. Because the dream not Tottenham for Jay, and so the by mistake, Bakupa, not just Abahajin Tedro say, Arsenal, are you better? Dear Conin Nachas, almost Yadia, at your free last season, at Genemo, Yentia Mikel.
I think so. When you win, it's always the case. You know, last year we didn't because we went to West Ham and with that result we missed a penalty. And against Liverpool you concede in the 91st, and then you are not capable. So at the end, that judgment is going to be based on the result, not like the outcome. If you concede a goal in the last minute and it's 3-3, then we're not ready. So the margins are so small. So don't get carried away with yourself. Just understand that we have to be better. We want to be better. There are margins for improvement, and go again against Bournemouth. That is going to be really tough.
Yes, not just a many Janet Gideon pass and Yoma, and so a bit tough. Our Brano Eka free coach. Your friend Sam Mikala Tata Asua Deba. Now, Casanano last week can be catch on say Tottenham phone say Yeti Kokwa, Yeni Nema and Tisa Asna Pomuli Gajia, and no Mufie and Asna Timno, and some other Pelly Gajanino and Conquesiaga Arsenal. Akoshomo 3 goes to 2. Now, yes, in your man crossing on the Tottenham supporters, let's say, woman can somebody blame Kwako Bia, and Omon Kasebi Obi, and Anya Jumaye, and Ansem Ebia player B, and Anya She, and Ansebia coach B, Woman Bajuma Panamum, Woman say Amade Domaso Canin Ansa, Woman Pano Toto, and Panenua, Metesa Tottenham supporters, Omo Cambia, and Omo groups, let's say, Woman Baba Tre official letter, Edia Kwakoma, Aya Bobokua, your friend say, I am Man City. I say, Omobasrepa, now, you say, Woman Chalatina Kwakum Penny for, when say, Man City so outstanding game abo na sa outstanding game no aye Man City and Bobokua ye fan san aye Tottenham and Bebo ye say Tottenham supporters ne say wo mo twere e de akwakoto omo mpanifo anim so omo mpano toto mpane no a ma anji post koglu en konkoye hwehwe ne mu bia no me na Man City bebo ntie ana mo ntire wiase nyina asam ni mpo no bo no wayere so pampe adaya awase ye City ana awase ni kwase mo hye masa mo ba ye hwehwe ne mu ama City elusu sa match no Arsenal fan kokwaje Premier League na wo mo no mo de samantimi an show mo de a wo mo so official ten ne say mo nkoko mo home na Mama City entry fam so woka ezo nyum na agogo ho na menche wade o aya agogo ho na menfa ma masamu obo makwa yese Man City for nsham kosere be a wo mo mpeso be da so na obo se London monte so nkrofo yi etwi street ani ade bia enti ay official letter ana Tottenham for no enso made kwakoma omo mpani for na enam update aba ho nsam no ye de amiete for me no kasai officially Liverpool qualify for Nyamiya Duma Champions League next season. Na say automatically almost bounce back since this is normal Champions League. Now, Mohamed Salah incident one the manager fan say Jurgen Klopp and some now Salah incident the receive question marks in the P. Yabeka won some that say what manager now so so kono asem a match as any man kwa BC Basa and some other boys in the Salah near manager decided say will be a ball a West Ham what the Salah num and Nunez when you call bench at there Nansen as one form no I be it is a form in dia and you bra a more den and also do moba Salah every akwanyano some but manager no say obaso ochiano wan fino later o sheki manager no yenuma sam coach your fan say Jurgen Klopp a catch up mo Salah be shay hey Salah na ni kokwa pai I just want to talk to inside down in the agina say jai Nunez oh jame na just wo huja ayam Darwin Nunez wo je no wa kanadwen and some other coach no me cancel on Saturday anwumram Omo ebisa coach no so pani na anya bia de na course na ede ne si no so wo ma di hu komo our dressing room bibia ni ho differences in your settle na mom nas ma me time mo pon game na Mohamed Salah APM every pitch no so manager no so rap pitch no so on ye Salah ana ya man yellow shade ana club so ana wa she black odi akire no Salah edi kan chia pani wa obia so no be no yonko Salah and fee manager no so man fee na kwatan na fan say Mo Salah our brother wo hwei and chese image atwa kunu nyina no enso achase ne man timi ankwasa de e wo say sikwa enso amfama no na yese man fo chase na an wo meto na man akwa Saudi and Salah kra ne adwuma bia biam ya enso adama Liverpool ntia wo say wo mu jane kwama ne ko report on say kan say incoming manager o we fan say Anslot yese manager no say ade bi o so mo timi ye e mo kipi Mohamed Salah bia no o so mo ye e mo kipi player ye fan say Mohamed Salah and no aya one and what me no kasai yesem omjiri basa branch fan say Van Dijk no wo mo hu ne Ibrahim Konate so kra no gidi ani so Liverpool team no wo ma sha say central defenders awo dwom owura fan say Anslot and owura na ye fan Mike Edwards omumie no wo mo so ma sha say central defenders awo dwom as so mo super players ni bi and some ataba be shem our brand pay no and no update aba won sem ni nyina no ye de am ye for and some our show no so na unim say me no kasai wo ko aye manager fan say Mauricio Pochettino da bi answer baba Pochettino no so no aye nas mame akoda na fan say La Chara Gertruda boy na me kasa wa making post our IG no La Chara akoda ni na medical can ask match last week ni say boy no akache no coach and slot say obese on ne be adwuma no mo to so our Liverpool La Chara enie Gertruda na mo dem say kan say Liverpool game mo boy against West Ham no wonim say boy no a flyer every Netherlands ababa share Garibi and some our London enti a confirm story na me dem last week am catch on say aye La Chara Gertruda SM abaso ni coach and slot abano boy no and make poster one cast about London Abasha West Ham and Liverpool ama Tribia and update about Faye Mama Chelsea manager Mauricio Pochettino manager say go no Michelle last go no e sit down referee be kasa boy when you go na na ya pa na do be so kan ina so be so be kasa kra because onim no obia no pa a big problem at Jamano essence and ensema on the boat and ensema on no and chest of us can you know will be an so cassa one shot a creative problem at Yaman Thomas Robert Casabiana Bowie with Mikas will be a POB a dear kind of chest will be POB and a Pia Subay and a chest any penny POB woman some night shall go up by referee was a Sanka referee who cried the card to Salah go to a pitch in this one and Kanyana Namum watch you go away who question video assistant referee and I Casa born in your go, Massa, Mama Manina ho, Yentia Mauricio Pochettino.
What I can say now, only put myself in a big problem if I say something. It's only to accept the decision, but I think everyone saw that was, I think, wasn't foul. To be honest, if it's a little bit push from behind, I think it's not with the power to or with the thing to say okay it's foul, but I think for me one of the most important things after Arsenal is that the team show great character and personality, and in the way that we fight in the second half, even if we didn't deserve to go 2-0 on the first half, I think in the way that we change the energy and the atmosphere and how we dominate a team like Aston.
Yes, NT, and no, I am some Chelsea manager Mauricio Pochettino, and I'll tell you, you're exceptional. And my tell for an hour per hour show. So I'm say I could be a fan of Gabriel Veiga, okay, na no more pen F-Lali, get him and I could not call Saudi. Meno Casa Chelsea for say I could not ninja our Saudi Thomas almost had the bar. No more manager first Eric Ten Hag. When him said Ten Hag, me kind of last week, and he say managers are yes, Pomono, me bo Grand Porter, me bo Eric Ten Hag get the etro. Now me catch us a manager in the Ayas or Basal Kobium, and no per report on me second say what kind from a play I'm a Barcelona Ibrahim Afellay essay. de here no say yes ebenya ntobwase kakra bi na omo Sompa club no emma enipa obetimi handle nyoma ye omo obetimi trust omo ene omo be ya adwuma emma nyoma koye emma yes mo Sompa team no enso sama safo no bi be sense wodiri e ba se safo no ne beboa ama chesa yes afa no ntuma pa enso adiafra na se mo twen kakra bi a jawatene sa ayas our big chance sa manager fan sa Ten Hag no one be sa dena be back and what we here and Rafael van der Vaart ono de minim de okachi no say every Ten Hag na nkasa kra no he wo ye wiasem nyoma nyina eye de obetimi sa wo be sa back to bobo kra fan sa ayas we aye Rafael van der Vaart ono no say manager na eye anything possible manager na eye de bia obetimi sa ayas adwumadie no wo be sa ba mpo wonu no pa some of ayas so aba ya adwuma no and some Jama Manchester United we no and some update abanamom afena Ten Hag accept ne yaba so manager tan ye busan say ade o kan wasam last week wasam some work on Manchester to me take lead what you say be man ebe wini man be wini was na man dia ball last minute time Anthony shall go yenim say Manchester Aisha barely and yo we answer Manchester for concede next a hard pa coach no on so we see concede a hard yentie Ten Hag
a variation of reason. So this is very different to the ones before. The only thing is it's again a penalty. There are some penalties included. Chelsea, Liverpool, and now again. And I think it was a justified penalty. So we do it. And we only have to look in the mirror in the perspective of that penalty. But if then the refereeing is consistent against Chelsea and Liverpool already, there were no penalties.
Yes, no, just penalties as so much and some Manchester United massa and our Chelsea the baby afei nanu ya enwa so just a penalty biam a just a hard minimum mintimin ko abramenya enwa classico ebaso and some our Portugal will be on FC Porto ashe 2 one ba be hu answer Victor Gyökeres massa akwara we de wa benya ne password phone we na ba de awanya Gyökeres no atebako Victor Gyökeres no you know, say Nas Adini goes to the Amabos and Victor, Ayo Gyökeres and Rono, and a restore parity Adama Sporting CPR, and I'm coming our branch of Somo, Abaji League 9 and was a say, bueno, 46 matches, wash out 40 goals, why your sister Makuma 15, Nessa in only goal involvement, you know, a doso, and some idea say a matches, Dotua, one on some at Miapo. Now, when some catch us a Porto, one more presidential elections, Ababaso, a Koso. Emma Andres Villas-Boas was set a record and say yes it's socials no to abana mana when your record of 26,000 plus a vote and when you woman say 70% of the vote ever since woman to Porto ebinsi da Villas-Boas and award Jenny Oman Kasomo former coach say one and a new president tell them a Porto now unim say run or tia kunya no so dada yetu na dia so ofu so no aye Pinto da Costa now Pinto Emma invite Sasane Chedia and the annual classico no omra no mu nyina omontina royal box baby ampanfo no tena no yesem aye Villas-Boas say dabi o ontimetena ho na respectfully o decline aye offer na Pinto da Costa edema no adea wasem ono oyobi a oye season ticket holder into ano Villas-Boas pese wasa betena na kunya no so our stance ni mo baby ono na manfo okokotena we aye da etwato a oba betena sa kunya no so free wo kono de Baba betena presidential box anymore. I just a Villas-Boas area say no and or your new president Adama Bobokua. Your friend say no ayo Porto. I just a whole update ni na no. Ya demi for Inter Milan celebration no. Say ni practice monte so nas yan call kakra na fe. Yan fancy quick. Say yes ni panom ayo over 300,000. Enter na Milan monte so nya baby kwara do na si. Wo say celebrations so ni na nipa no ayo little over 300,000. Now obi kwara just nantwe baby sha obanya nantwe na mame omo print nantwe no aye intercolors acha sama sakro ma gaba say hey mudie bo de broni ne ye ode nantwe no print in inter omo blue black acha sam omo de ba honsam no ye de am ye for yes mame bra aye meza ho na fe meza se bibia find here na me adom fancy okay na me asepa bishop now here dey twede kama oye kama pa acha say o hwe dia ebupe nantwe ni bia and no modern copy mo Italy.
Now here send ya was here and bring the hips no original in India like I said Nigeria we no. And yes I'm to Italy ho. So Tushima no Ukraine the obedaju because he ready. Yanum tin da be pana yanum besaji give you my money. But we any Denzel Dumfries there no problem with Jama.
And upon de ban so on man fine.
I mean
be fine.
But anyway. Baba Henry Ajeni bi.
Okay, well, Meza.
Yes, Fancy. Yenche team for name makwa ban famba some passports na no pay. Let me say nyoma hodo na na see weekend ye twa mu yi. Let me say me hu samanfo dodo na ekasa about Mo Salah ne Jurgen Klopp issue see. Yenhwe you heard the gamble of Arsenal on £60 million Kai Havertz and in the impact when you Arsenal team. Then we look at some third party and nyoma obetimi de abeboa Arsenal in their quest say omubetimi agi league no ana say omuntimi NJ. Now to start off with Mo Salah issue na ekoso Liverpool no. There are various questions Sunday what happened nanwada between ono and Jurgen Klopp. Obetimi akase na Jurgen Klopp so ochia no ana Mo Salah echia na echu yi na ni na bia akasa bi ne nyoma bia nam chen Mo Salah na mix zone no kan sembi se okasa ejabe de ejabetum ne sa nyoma ni na no but ebi mu raise questions about Mo Salah akasa generally in his performances no nyoma ekosei is it the Mo Salah ye kasa ontena no nkoso ndi dwuma former Liverpool ebetimi abo ma na. These are questions I yebusa ye ho. Ebi muso hu ni say baby a Mo Salah do Liverpool team na nkasa na nyoma esesa wo mu ntini ye hunu Mo Salah ye ana. Ana se de toso mi ensa fancy di Maria e di se fata so on decline. Se uhwe enyoma egu apaso a ye de be measure Mo Salah be kasa aba na assist be kasa aba ni goals. Fancy me ne wo kasa yi. Mo Salah ana the leading goal scorer and top assist provider e wo Liverpool this season. Emieremfi. So statistically, if you have a player who has given you 23 goals this season in all competitions and on your leading top scorer, doesn't mean say he is declining maybe baby I want dream or say Mo Salah a declining say according to one kasane standard that was set to the man home. And you know when a man for who say Mo Salah declining one, the standard he has set for himself. Because when Mo Salah and Kasana Mo Salah standard that was set to man home or 30 goals. Anya Crown 27 goals. I'm talking about even the Premier League alone. Kago kinan keken. Kenya ni san keka se kopa mane Erling Haaland nkwa na nkepre. Keka se Mo Salah any Erling Haaland na nkepre go kino. In general, according to Liverpool standards, Mo Salah is not declining. But per no akasa ne personal standard that wono na set it. E the man ho, any the numbers are all provided the man ho no fancy di Maria. It shows the Mo Salah no as a nyoma ye dey aba form kakra this season. But what the shen ye ban tin tin Mo Salah form never form this time around. Fancy the edi kan injuries are brand any ba. Feel so call oba AFCON yo prayer or sa ba ye no. Oba resume around by February 17th no sa call back to injury be mo sa call injury be mo sa kotena nchen. Wan sa me bo till middle of March. And was 5 goals in 11 games. Sompa returning you know. And the Ama Liverpool e firm. And Adeba so prove said the entire Mo Salah time any minute I would only injuries na hand no this season opa yen fan 2 years screen so near the number of minutes Mo Salah abo. Then you understand say injuries have played a major role in Mo Salah ne form na amount for the na because over the past seasons our body Ama Liverpool performance on the screens. This is the only season Mo Salah about 72.8% of total minutes was Akusi Academy Liverpool on normal matches.
Okay.
The rest of the season in 85% in 2017-2018, 95% of Liverpool matches in 2018-2019, 84%, 90%, 80%. Even last season, it's injuries, have played a major role in Mo Salah in terms of a on one personal standard. Goals and in your more set man fancy. I say Liverpool no omo dem huni sa but Mo Salah nkasa no o check ni dia Mo Salah nkasa no say chances power Mo Salah say chances power
some begging chances bia Salah say no say they all kana
Mo Salah in the season
Salampa
Mo Salah is not on focus being a deadly finisher. Mo Salah is much more concerned about having a high volume of shots. Because himself me ball and I making myself available. Na me ball shot mako 10. Emu be 3 and 4 betimi ahye.
Na say Messi instinct ni bi no.
Debi. It's not say chances bebrebe no. To be a man for because almost Salah say chance baby we ask na go king no one epre. Because he believes that the higher the volume of shots in the chances on ni be nya na no so bobo bebre na no. Or say mu be 3 kra na say 10 a emu be 4 na emu be 3 do be boy dey ato net.
So Sanka metwasi ya na say Salah wo to say bia Messi started so the goals kind of born was a killer instinct ni bia. Salah ji golden boot in the Premier League anka o biem like by far.
Obebiem kra. Salah obebiem say obebie gabenim. And this season kwampo na omoka se form ni declare. This season kwampo na Salah XG was so change the other seasons awabo nyina.
Oh.
Yes. This season ankasa Salah XG I was roaching the rest of the season now. And if you could provide me with that particular statistics, Kebewu Salah XG this particular season. First on your screens. This season ankasa no Salah average 3.6 shots per every single 90 minutes. Goals 0.71. Now the XG no 0.77 compared to the rest of the years at Salah abo Liverpool. Even in 2017-2018, Nejina 0.75. 2018-2019, Nejina 0.56. 2019-2020, Nejina 0.59. 2020-2021, Nejina 0.56. Neba 0.74 in 2021-2022. Last season, Nejina 0.59. This season, Nejina 0.77. Fancy. Salah is a victim of Onwankasane standard that was it. But in general, the numbers doesn't depict that Salah or Tiba for me Bruce Bia. Into now your story say, and slot my madrid is almost Salah tina.
Yeah.
So if they are ready to make Salah so better now, they mean to me is a comma Salah ensemble. Non twice from former Liverpool. Even Yanshan expected assist. Yankon expected assist. Any Salah, the number of goals compared to Washana and the expected goals, really an expected assist. The blue news edge how demand the number of assists. Then the red need how demand the expected assists. Most of the time, the Bobo season no fancy di Maria. Na Salah, the assist no can put the expected assist and now we expect to say was Salah Setimika. That means he has worked above it. And where the expected goals against the goals. Previous seasons, fancy na Salah the goals ebro the expected goals are expected so beshe. So he works above what you even expect him to do. And Mo Salah, baby Ojina say, any these numbers are fancy. I strongly believe that he has something in stock to also give to Liverpool and slot in the first season. Maybe and slot no first season we are. Maybe a team no day. No jaw no mako. It's only injuries and it's on one kasane personal standards I was a tiaman hono. And a man funya a dream be say Salah is finished. But Salah is never finished.
Sompa Sports
finished. And Omo keeping the feta, he could be a valuable experienced player for them next season for the beginning of Ancelot's reign. Kai have it. Do not can say Kai have it, but Arsenal or flop. Fancy. Me say Chelsea for now hold on no. Now no other no ya Kai have it the tweet be ko to one ma. On say na some the AIB ya DB am me for guy said the Kai have it yes animal fancy. Abante mo ye den ya he's having one of the best seasons of Obenya.
When you know true about it.
And he's proving to be a crucial player for Arsenal in difficult times. Arsenal Gabriel Jesus Arsenal Edin Ketia. Omumi anu ni nyina in some seasons etwam ni nyina no. Obeka so mabom ho more than there but omotimi put Arsenal on the top of the table consistently at this stage. Arsenal nya strong beliefs so betima league na. And there is Kai Havertz who comes in and £60 million as a false nine. Fancy Di Maria, he's giving Arsenal the numbers and the time in Saudi these goals very important. Shabla, come to me and Kai Havertz in terms of the statistics. Goals are washed any the moment at these particular goals they prove it to be very pivotal. And the Arsenal in their quest so bit media the league. And to say, Osha Kai Havertz D any the goals now any matches now say those goals need more, especially against Manchester City when they assist or anyhow crucial it was for them. There have been various games Kai Havertz either saw the first goal. And also Obenya 2 goals. And I say about the game name we Kai Havertz na best winning goal in the Arsenal. And I believe having 12 goals this season puts him at the top there in terms of players who have a huge impact. And so even the numbers in the last year for Arsenal, I fancy the Maria, baby, I'm not doing what and it touches progressive passes and the progressive carries when it comes to when the team is in possession. Dropping deep, linking up play, picking up passes, crucial positions are obetting pian. Amana kwako n'anima do not bet my predator on it, and he's winning all the area duels and the area battles. When Arsenal decides to go long, and he's been the man. And who is your ways to the free one ma? The reason why I'm saying who is so very important the more mono. They won against Bournemouth or she go back 4-0. They won 1-0 against Manchester City. Only assisted the one goal no. Almost share 1-0 against Brentford. Only share the only goal. Almost share 4-3 against Luton. The goal and a more winning game no. Almost share 2-0 against Brighton or share 1 goal. So you look at the importance of Kai Havertz. Okay. And it's a goal so the numbers no but to go. But he's becoming consistent and crucial for them in front of goal. And to me say if Arsenal should win the league this
Sompa Sports,
the Bobo players be there or no £60 million no. And me say anko kwa mo na mo hunu
ni down the drain.
Mo na mo hunu ni yusu a.
Okay.
Obi na hunu ni yusu. And Partey has brought a level of calmness into Arsenal.
Martin Meza.
Fancy. Ko faso jebo no nya so abotre. Jim
Mate, what me that say, Meza, me ba vera so ansana me the bishop every now tell you so, ya launch na every last week, the Kumasi phone na say, and then a Santaman ase, Santaman launch no, eba so name so masu bi abomodi an say, obepe or SIM card na for switch ya ba a tell you so, network no so be call a year just a vendor bi oba kwa, obetimi akwa registration, ama tell you so cash no, we register nimpo, so one tell you so pen no, edin so ama nyoman so I come and so adjamao nemo make out say wa brado ho hye e telesel mo no a hye so enso ema me say numa pi e wo no ma eno e wo dia fei e bra ne sempo wo be so ye call ana so be so brazil nyina no e telesel enso adarama ana make camfo e di ama na no pe network ba kwa beboa ama ne ma aye fine ama wa bra wo ba so internet no so be o de na fei won so watimi di nkomo ya ne nyina no enso e telesel ana ye camfo e di ama telesel say connecting energies. Yes, verse. Bibi I find it.
Fancy Nyamiadum.
Okay. Minti we Nyamiadum.
Fancy Obia or Arsenal fan Bia
Sompa Sports.
Referring Mikel Arteta for Newma or Diaba Arsenal team. But the one most important thing of the Arsenal team mama now they look very formidable. So one more bar the mentality of what media momo. Gone are the days I need a catcher Arsenal say or me a team wa one should need a winning mentality. Or one shada in that mentality, it makes them to push for more. And now the Taika say Arsenal didn't hear mass 90 minute leagues our body games our body say uluzu editia teams in Kitwan will share teams like Esena Utimini Mobo. And now your story be now Kasa about how now what's in teams now they are competing for the league now bar Untimi lose to be who would have thought say the season that do Samri and Arsenal will be boasting of Saturday night in Komono. But since 2019 and Mikel Arteta, far Arsenal team no, he's giving them Saturday and everything and name Arsenal setbacks are it eats into them memomu and so committing mistakes.
Sompa Sports.
I'm here to say Mikel Arteta and so me free ho. For a person like Mikel Arteta, Babia free ni suya hunu and be watching edition de free no. And chida nyem wanwa bebre. But for him to transform Arsenal team in that time, Arsenal team is a team that still they are in progress. They are trying to get to the level now. When we are about to start the Premier League, you see it's Manchester City, Abdo Betimaji League, they are yet to get to that point. But they seem to giving us that thing, say a more bright future with regard to Neuma and Mikel Arteta and so maybe Arsenal last shot and results against Aston Villa and against Bayern Munich. So first now we are talking of Arsenal and KB who are lose games in the tomato so. But since we lose 2 games in back to back no, or my bounce back and look at the results of Manya. They won against Wolves. The performance of body Chelsea. You may say a Chelsea team no one couldn't find more. But we know how our landing their business go. And when Chelsea is playing team of friend Arsenal on any day a big game. And now look at Tottenham. These are derbies, and when it comes to some match, we are sometimes I are not even a performance or form our league because sometimes I are not encounter. but what team didn't not on and he's giving Arsenal team the here. And gradually, the way any idea was to give them that cohesive in there, that unit. They are a team that when they are playing, you could see say now they are together. Gone are the days you see say even in the dressing room now you see a lot of things. But by he decided that he would do away with some crop for now must add name because no. Do be up when your man what may ye the every Arsenal team where ye Obama film where he may shoot us the moon net film. These are players are a young manager coming. You look out to them and say they are the people that they will help you build a team. But he decided to say Debbie, these are the people I need to get out for my team. And I'll build my team now around and collab and they will come good. And now look at around Jeffen Bukayo Saka. He came and this was a guy most at times who to me were left back. Now one of the best wingers in the Premier League.
Sompa Sports.
Performance and numbers are Bukayo Saka is there.
So as Ateta na beg converting mana.
Yes, Ateta na be no be Serge Mano. Smith Rowe Bamu, but no plenty na yenshida huniye. But Bukayo Saka and the kind of performance are ordinary Edema Arsenal. You can say Mikel Arteta Yejuma. So he suddenly free man kwala chance now. He's been able to make people see that be Arsenal no money, so we should go there and yankobo boni bit war. First, ni who's Arsenal to me and attract this players nibi. But now look at players who team to Totomo and so team about what time I know Thomas Partey and they called team referring to Arsenal. Many people were questioning Thomas Partey from Atletico Madrid and going to Arsenal because now Arsenal a few channels with Bleak Accra. It tells you a Jumbo run you had Trossard on the buy performance are ordinary. So Mikel Arteta, he's been super for team my friend Arsenal Bobokun. And if you look at the places that he's wrecked, or more no from the Barcelona system, he's worked with Pep Guardiola, he played under your friend David Moyes. Over signing when in Nana was sooner be free. This season we've seen managers are or more in the league. You talk of Alonso, he's won the league, you talk of Abraham and Morta and all these guys, they are doing good job. Mikel Arteta also deserving a credit for what he's done for us now. If not for anything, the mentality he's giving us now enough for Juma and sweat my friend Arsenal. Because we've seen Arsenal so many times. These are a team one more buy, you don't even fear them. It get to a point in time, team be at me call as will be informed. But now the way things are going, last season Arsenal nearly won the league or Botono. But how many of Yen Yakas there be the way Arsenal see both season last year or this season they will come and put a fight. Say we put a fight this season. This tells you the kind of mentality where friend Mikel Arteta and so the resilience, how they're able to suffer and get the wins and all that. Yeah. Mikel Arteta, we need to give him thumbs up for Sergio run and sweat me. For Mohamed Salah, a club no man if you look at the way I call and you're a player in Mohamed Salah's situation, maybe you will react. A place a Salah and sweet me. Salah is not giving them the goods because also more against Everton game now. Salah was like Ubikra born on in him. The Salah we used to know. The last time we can say since he called AFCON he's not been the Salah we know. And from that time, ABC needs so her statistics now. So my over as food anymore. So now her Salah statistics are you started from before January 1st. And since January 1st, all her statistics know with the university are goals scored before January, 0.72.
It's almost a goal.
Yes.
Every game.
But since January, 0.53. You look at assist before January, 0.41. Now, 0.18. I drop it drastically. What's your goals involvement? Our goal involvement before January, it was 1.14. Now a 0.7. Expected goals before June was 0.74 and now a 0.82 and her shot on target 1.70 as compared to 2.47. It tells you how Mohamed Salah has been since January ends Urbano and injuries no idea you can't fault him. This is a person that he's been consistent for Liverpool for maybe 6 to 7 years. He's been consistent for Liverpool. He's been there. He's been working for them. And Noma Ekwe and so man now. Noma Esada Enko said the Mohamed Salah pay and so your club now here results are you want to bring Salah on board. So there be a but so your Mohamed Salah. Now say Liverpool even a slim chance against West Ham United for them to win the league. Now say you are not fit enough to start for team of Liverpool. How will you feel? You will feel say I say Noma that's what team about you. woman say Mohamed Salah intimate goals no, but you can't blame Mohamed Salah alone. The time how you see Mohamed Salah saying all goals no, he had two people they were doing the job for him. No more is some sort of burden and so the fitness so in the shape of a Sadio Mane and Abante Firmino. Now if you look at Liverpool's Nunez and Luis Diaz, these are people if you give them 10 chances a day, you can't even get like 8 goals from them. Because you've seen how wakeful they've been this season. Nunez and so any Luis Diaz. So it tells you that a woman set pressure Abba Salah so he's not been scoring. But the people around him, Sompa do that level no. They've also not been helping because of the Macano. Money more any Firmino Muno at their time they were helping him and they were easing the pressure from him. So I think that it's about time. Yes, or not to me trust no who they say to me. But we are Mohamed Salah. What do you have to give again to Liverpool? Be yes, we are Liverpool. What my Edema Liverpool? Oba Liverpool. This is a person now. In the first move by England, no many touted him as flop. Yeah, Wakwaba and now by no. He's been able to write history for himself in the Premier League. Now he's rubbing shoulders with people like who say they are the best in the Premier League. So what again? You have to offer Liverpool. Now you need to sit down and say that the way as you cannot see being was already on. If indeed they need me to front their dealer, I need to go and get some money from them. When say a club echo, but I think the way things are going and how things went between Onuminu and I think it's time I say Nano they will say goodbye to team my friend Liverpool for them to have and I think that would be the best thing about team now. Mohamed Salah he's paid his dues. He's giving Liverpool everything that they need, and he's write history for himself. And then it's time he needs to leave.
Well, first, me that say, maybe Bishop or not Bishop a day, yeah, foreigner, Fibo Ventures, Bomodian so prepare 2 brushes and 2 face nibi, and so actor Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Executive, and I feel evidence and a friendly and Ashford Galaxy no, and so 2 brushes said ya bankwada any womb, and I feel make cows and penifodiano, and so a cow the Bayer Juma Arches, all you choose say, and upon any number, I feel fresh, about toothpaste and a get clear toothpaste, I feel whoop aloe toothpaste and a peppermint, I get toothpaste, Abomodian say Fibu and Ediano, Obepebi, and so Atona, where you no, and a Babua Amaches or see a chinam and Enyan Wademapa, and what you will say, Biaudi, Rura, Symptom, Amaches, a brushes, and a coho, and Mount Saint Ayafita come a candy fruanum, now foul texture, so I'm a pribia texture, and so Ebenya test now the diabetes and dead ye and Fibo Ventures said and also Pebi and Tona would edu Jume and one about Buama Jume dia dinino and so Aquakama a Fibo Ventures Posegolin so Dodobia Pebiano one sa and so Ebeka a 0241 5646 and a 0200 600 934 and Fibo and Casa 3P Gallic Meshano a PWAC Natural Health Limited and pen for and a Dubai na a dromo masasi or monumbi no momanumbi penny and so a other says one can say a titriti rock for fling and a jai will be a stroke and so about so nifa and answer so ubenkuma just a 3P Gallic Meshano ever brama stroke no and so akwaya kese ama broso ama home ensisu ye ntu anya asthma afe wo bia menstrual pain se wo waso ye se wo ba da bia bosume so ayasi dwan ama bosume be so kwa na yam ehihyew se empo odwonso ro fofa dwonso basa da bia wo fu aye bloated bomodi anso be pe aye 3P Gallic mission bi enso abobona ma sugar level abafom ana wo pressure so ani nyina na be stabilize ama ne man so aye kama enso ama ba bia tonjo bia kwa won sa be kan bi aye 0248 928824 and a 0201 000021 na just a 3P Gallic mission also wapebi abubakama Bishop
Fancy.
Now we.
Oh, Nyamiadum.
Damn, yes.
Yeah, now
some passports. Oh, a bad crab end day.
Can you not say?
It was some passport.
Happy birthday to Nana Kwadwadu Oche. Oche, London, Sisia, or here in Jumedi. Oche, ne papa ni Jogani pharmacy or Domain Crew. Minya Preocupe. Oche, happy birthday. And Chibi Albertiminka. I wish you the very best, Nana. And Chibi Bisha. Calvin Opoku Kusi. We don't have a friend of Bosu, one of your administrators. No, he's that good, and he's become a personal friend. Bosu, happy birthday. Yankupon Shaupa, the Oyama in Ayeniso. Koswa na nyamenya okesi. Also na Akwesi Poku Foster. Also any birthday. Akwesi Poku Foster. Happy birthday. Finally, Frimpon Holy John Jr. And then birthday, Papa Frimpon Holy John OCC and show happy birthday. OC was a Chairman FM Neba and then the birthday. Fancy. Case number 1. I'm say we can imagine football na no ba kwa family so ye Mr. Kakra and I'm the best say na we am a serious business no so. Okay. Thiago Silva is leaving. Na Kakra say Thiago Silva from the days in Brazil or the bar AC Milan and they call PSG. But for Chelsea, Thiago Silva would have gone through Europe, winning the league virtually everywhere he went to, except Chelsea, without winning the Champions League. It would have been so painful. Yeah. But thankfully, Chelsea gave him the opportunity, and then he won the trophy for them. But besides free transfer, it was literally a done deal. And a Chelsea a hijack deal. No? Monstro, as he is literally called. Or Bowenini, never shall see no so we fancy. Then they say the Jumedian or Berry or London. It's so obvious as a Born BMD and Natchez of Bekofi. I mean, we've come to see this a couple of times. I wish he had actually retired at Chelsea. Because in recent times, a leader like this before. And it's good that he graced the Premier League and that Emrena son. Fancy they were chassis biano. So monstro. Goodbye. Now Chelsea would have to go into the market. Let nobody fool you. You know, Okasapa, he is an effective communicator and an organizer at the back. Jinaha, woman koha, yebebo we jinaha, or in the Jumasaya or the amount. Now, mobility is the problem. He's not mobile like before. Yeah. He's nearing 40, till adding, and went in ODSC. Now, so Chelsea compare a vocal centre back at the neighbor. Because we, aside the fact that they are nothing special, either they are injury ridden and I say they have that moment in them. But then again, so see Obi to say Thiago Silva dressing room, you would have to act in a strong manner to find that kind of voice, leadership in the club. And then yet so many leaders across the pitch. Then you would have to push for somebody like this, a figure like this to come and replace the void. And you're born on Obama, Kasana or Kasana. Over the weekend, I'm a ball league game or Norway. KFUM Oslo. I'm on the SK brand. I'm on dressing room no. Now fancy, because come back as I am no. Living legends. But Norway league no. Sompa Sport across the street. From just a police force in a car. No more use zebra crossing. Yes, I see a video now. I'm saying because name is Kakra. But then again, Tima. I feel no more about league nibi. I'm park never ni pa 3,300. But SK Brown ho. Until Usha sa KFUM arena no picture now of the stadium no cry. Say the city and obi nkan look at them. Omo no mo kono omo fi dressing room no. So mbe fa bonti twa kwam ansa no makọ park no so akobo ball no. Tini omo stop cars no. Omo use black cross and one pass mbia. To omo fi dressing room na be na ko pitch no so no. FPA. See, Benya Stadium na KFUM Arena no. So unya picture of the stadium. Say fancy. More or less like community pitch. Park. Yeah. No, mo the ball league. The camera. Artificial pitch under Sompa Sports facility nibi. So it's good. It's good, sir. Yenya bibi sir. Na yadi dijuma. It's beautiful. And I'm say. Oh, yeah, na bibia tima ko kama e dia mom mpacho pa akomia and VARs have actually dealt. Hey, my friend, my personal life. No. Oh, me near a drusical. My name is Accra.
Let's see what baby.
Oh, boa. I don't know what coming.
So why am I serious? Me hammer of
the camera to so
yes.
You are a health hazard. They dealt extensively with the Salah issue, but the Kabisi said the final moments have shown there were issues behind the scenes. I feel like Abu Badru to serve volcano. And then they erupted a stadium on for Salah, who is one of the few people to even speak. So yeah, could do mix zone no catch and say if I speak there will be fire.
Yeah.
Don't even control on the words. No. It is what it is. The final moment has not been as planned. And it's playing out for everybody to see. And it is not nice. It's despicable. Or they could have done better. Because imagine Klopp in the final days too. This is going to be one of the significant videos that underlined it. Not. What's Anthony Taylor could do much, baby?
Wednesday, Dortmund.
Anyway.
Only PSG,
And then Kasim women Kabatais and to I won't make a. Now no Liverpool no West Ham match no we are Liverpool for no. Na me imagine cry me say na onim ohu ye no na obọ kro no. Ti se ebenya video na Areola ene Gakpo. Areola aroli ball atofo. Ena Gakpo ehun say keeper ball or toto forma the ball is in play. Ubetimi akobo. Ena oye na dwen say okobo. Anthony Taylor who say wadru wa eno dimika a ball whistled. Yes, I share video na say na wa ohwe ne obeti en common na see ya no.
So na BBC be a foul and offside.
Ha yaje. Ena ball hwenya no o delay. Ena wa to ball na to form. Okobo. But say unya release ball na is in play. Into opposing player and bit mabo. O video na asha say na no see the trust wan. So, referee na ball whistle. Referee netting. We enye referee mrani bi. GK ba won is the obechim. Fancy goalkeeper ni di na Anthony Taylor na ba beka che say, okay, we plant ni ma medics e behwe no. So he's covering up for his error.
So me about time on no really ball. Now release or be frame medical team but on no page an signal Taylor and ma Taylor so be say
Taylor
and I really prayer
your ball who say Gakpo do on ball whistle to whom the error that has been committed or any player na prantino medics name run or they kata. That's what they do all the time.
Okay, on transform.
So on transform.
I'm the friend.
So yeah, the shape. The people, Mira, who didn't have to I
don't know this action. I want to meet anybody.
Tough. Now, fancy for not to change the entire cousin way. What kind of Mbappe go be or share? Keep out 2 ball 2 for 1 would make a couple share. Good. Now, this is the guy you are going to officiate.
The guy Chelsea near Arsenal to the Enibino.
This is the guy you are officiating on Wednesday. It's yes, no. A Hannah Mrama Hokwain, you protect your mom. But on the continent, fancy.
Sompa Sports.
See, the Thomas Tuchel after buying the Arsenal now. The clubs are now serious and away. Time at Gabriel and the Raya boss are born now. Okay, said no, look, a penalty.
Yeah.
Referee to say yes. Waiting. Name what the common sense and an AD born. And Rannis is saying, what's the common sense? Must say contact a penalty. Now, what you born in the American penalty? It's your best wrong. So you know my position on these people, but me say Mbappe no ne kobo. And he's shown over the years say or temra no you need the Ephraim. Ti best wrong omukwa. Hwe no man ko yesa omunoma no wo. Yes wrong pi because they've proven time and over again so they are just not good enough. E bi no mo demonstrate and they who say omoye mistakes now they try to find something to cover up. And they are misre no. Akomia kan na me kohwe Tottenham matches no. Kulizeski didn't in want of them. Akomia. Because Francis out of form a penalty.
Yes, straight.
Mohamed ball ne who say no kre defenders ni na komia they deliberately did not try to play the ball. Namajo they deliberately did. Me who ba ku bi so Richarlison and Gabriel Magalhaes omo Cabo Muto from Pierre Richarlison into Gabriel. Like fancy, like every single game, Anthony Taylor and Ejina. Me who say ba ko so say obi butu obi no Ejina ho no hwe. Look.
Minim ebia team o Premier League ni ma. The supporters say kase bia o Taylor de yin ho hwe as yin ho asem ka. Ona Michael Oliver ni nyina.
Obey mistakes fancy but we mu de na no na so mo kope bibi de akokoba ntie be sro mo Mbappe de o roll ball ne to hwa no ba because the ball is in play or be press o yes repi mo ko yesa na mani bi. The biggest what could have been story for both Porto on the pitch Akumia and in the dugout ebe charisma and the AVB.
Okay.
Send your musi any senior ne fefe ne city no min surah anka meka say no more GD mapa especially after the Falcao season say so tnawa obitima de na Jose Mourinho yen and duly sa team na or the years Edman Falcao Hawk mono so no more tnawa they would have been a trouble in the Champions League proper or just had in the year but he left and he was never the same. Koya could do China in na say kwa do no Dakar rally and the AVB a club president ne do e club no enye doketwa e odokese pa and it's a beautiful one after 42 years then Onjema Pinto da Costa had made Porto one of the greatest in the Iberian Peninsula. Under him Amaje Champions League ni Europa League no twice, one Champions League trophy, 2 Europa League titles. Player stone, player development.
Yeah.
When them far Jackson Martinez, Falcao, James Rodriguez, Bodino, Jose Mourinho time no, Rui Jorge, Costinha, Manish, Carlos Alberto, Deco, McCarthy. When them far, then you're born there. They are behind Benfica and Sporting until they need to do something. And Villas-Boas has moved from the technical room to the political boardroom.
You say, wow. So your consensus are crossed here now and still can award you my
because he knows.
He
knows the system. And I'm hoping that this will be some passport era for Porto. We so yemfanya disuya fancy. He rejected the offer from Pinto da Costa.
Yeah.
Because in the final days of the man, and this you share in his shine and glory.
Yeah.
What start to a Juma presidential box open umpo and why now better fancy. Now unyan share Juma sen. My papa didn't know because are more legendary players on the pitch.
Yeah.
But Pinto da Costa is a legendary man for Porto off the pitch. And there he is. Camera na toss now to no kwa so. Na ne nyuma pa obeye no. O de si na ye fe na ye kama. Na minim say do dragao no and every dragon involved in the club would oblige to this new dawn. Na ebe bompa senior ebe sesa because he says obeti sa akra bi ade o Portugal young kids no. Omo free Porto bi Benfica, Sporting. Benfica, Sporting. Yanko Yechini had the big sales. Porto M some biggest sale in recent times are Luis Diaz. Within that period, Sporting, Bruno, Manchester City, no Matheus Nunes, Oko Wolves, no.
Benfica, Afonso.
Benfica. Vitinha. Osufio obekọ etire omo den dey say start free sebenaro so am come na ko ni wie na next generation no em say you could start from goalkeeper now Manchester City no Ederson ufiri wa beba João Felix Ruben Dias Darwin Núñez Gonzalo Ramos. Big sales.
Sompa Sports.
Porto, Taremi no Norway.
Porto.
Oko free. Ntino, edwuma wo a, minim se Andre Villas-Boas wabe, obeye na efe, na ekama.
Well, Bishop, me that say, yababe referee enche bia mumfanche, say omude o mabana boy, but it's in Facebook na samba back in no, and so no yabe quick break about quick. No mum Kunun Ghana Limited, omunro no China phone no way, ye Chinese herbs, and no any day I sanu pay, and to say oh your bana bosume babeson now menstrual pains no e bana say bia menstrual flow, aye irregular e ban sisi so e bana e try ba na try bo modian say drive friend Araba bazin tablet no obepebi enso anom ebeboa opama neoma enso aye kama enso amafe unnom Araba bazin tablet ni bia emane e kan se oba moja ne defusane kama afe sexually wo yo bia ugina na so wote de emane neoma so ye fine e wo mpem e basa na adrebia no kunu ani won dachi a chese e wo fie ni monte na akwakofa asmaba afe se wo ye bema na beso ugina na so ya ye kanfo drive friend se Mr. Kio ana amaw Mr. Kio no ebe yi the severe one at the free hall or slow erection and I say your libido ever form or premature ejaculation low sperm counter a drive friend and say Mr. Kio and so ebebow now fe bema who in tune capsules and so your draw back or Johnson basa or Johnson rough or Johnson so what tell yaw or bemum and we to miss show preocupa no a drive friend say you in tune and no and ebebow ama on so mema your SCP esita baby I told you be so kwa benya be ato a 0244 275429 0206 271016 na chese won so wa friend na on mpanifo no enso akasa nemo me kanfo aye we St. Andrews Senior High School St. Andrews makacho se wo bia wo senior high wo try wasi ema results a wo penenya no ene baaye nemo se papers ne ba kuni mienu bi ana sempo saba so hwene nyina afofra bomode enso be ko St. Andrews okwa nyese bia wa ko se bia register we na dendenti ye do ko echi okonkwa na registration no ye beye edwafa from 3 for na fee munyina masua de abom na matwere se bia results no enso be kama ye je form 1 ye se je form 2 ana monso ambesa mbo form 3 no St. Andrews say ye nkanchom se momra ye wa cheche form ye qualified afee ye obotra modern aye facilities we school ni mo obeso ye border obeso dey so abetimi aye afee make I say ye ICT center no aye well equipped and afee ye science lab no say one of the best more babesua de nyina na boama neoma enso aye kama emama cheche fonu nim de more time ade man kwada nyina St. Andrews ewo aye asinfosu ye na Rich FM enso our premises bako aye 0244 696911 and 0207 891004 na St. Andrews enso enkasa yenko break me bana lusa ede ababerem enso ewofi yeba
Hey, Sewa, me watch you. Me nanu me bisa cry so kwa brochu.
Kwaku, afraid na me beko. Men krata krani.
Hey, any me ma connection man for den kofo sika dwane no yen cheli di musa no.
Oh, Express Group adarmenti. Akwenti wa ye for. Opese otu kwan kosua de a. Express Group do be call mind to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, any Germany. Say e to ana se visiting so a. Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, any Germany. Mo am pese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wa ko Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi Asafule Roundabout Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashibi Girl Filling Station. For more how much show for ISO 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Bina Unumi, and your what dropa, a ya draw, a ya draw say, a manipedian quamwano, and yahuatin, na a quotia yarie, and train yarie and san wakakoto, fire wardro, nan nono abribia. Kanoga Company Limited. What the time time ebe just Moa and the time herbal mixture at your bejasso. Akra wenyan fisia dumienu enumbi. Wapin for any about what my crown for and so enumbi. Time herbal mixture. Who benya be over the counter medicine sellers. Any shop do na mu. So pedudo to a friend 0244 417669 0244 417669. Time herbal mixture. A yadro say FDA Jadian Kratway Atum.
The ones that now from toothbrush no. Why and toothbrush no. Ninya Ashford. Nah, Ninya Ashford dear. That's so evident to know it. Who that the evidence by? I don't need Ashford toothbrush. Oh, sweetheart. Ashford toothbrushes no. You want different types. Chef, Abena Deya Mokumi, Ashford Princess, and our brow could you so Ashford Galaxy. Would you know Iran so Ashford Evident? Media so Ashford Executive, and now Media no so Ashford Friendly. That Ashford toothbrush card. My dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Papa, moto. Ne to me bow do me here than it be a question. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, near Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Feeble Ventures now call Faber Dasso. It's to 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They will soon need.
If I shop, I'm not sure you're bad. And not to be. What are you going to see about Queen Wayne and say? Yeah, said your time about Misha, it's your Jimmy fearful, and not your back ever so. Maybe you this offering now. Brass and because me the time about Misha one dance ya. We are singing now about Semenka. And to say malaria, where do any time about Misha? I know go, dear, no more to want to meet any deal. What do any time about Misha? A drink and your mark or bar waffle fruit, dear one mark for down for any aquada when you feed to me, and some of the time about Mr. Draybino. She's a walk hospital and answer loud. I'm what who said, oh, a 3D malaria be answered. I also time me TIME. Time about Misha. I feel malaria fever the other is Ziva, a woman. Even slap. Ubina be at all, over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to do an FDA Aji a Jodian Kratway at all.
We are back, bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their front two, with Free Play Friday and Swipe Bet.
I'm not food now.
In the middle, you've got all the control with Cash Out and Build a Bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bet. At the back, they have Smart Picks and the Pass You Daily Jackpot. You always get way more with Betway. And you might see. Enipa baako pɛ ɛna pam adeɛ hyɛ wo a obi ahyia wo a wɔsan hwɛ obi mu ɔnoa ne bafo polo no wɔafia nkasa ɛna ɔde nimdeɛ no nso yi adwuma ɛnti sɛ ɔdwidwi style ɛto hɔ a ɛda hɔ a na ɛhɔme bafo polo no ɔde Africa print textiles ɛna pam na deɛ biara ɛnti ɔpam Africa print polo shirts round neck shirts golf shirts v-neck shirts ɛne pii ɔpam atufoɔ bɛtu kogu wɔn stores ɛne boutiques ɛnti sɛ wo so wonyɛ adwuma a bɛtu bi kɔtɔn na ɔnte so ma wo churches, fan clubs, schools, unions, any a two pia. We have the journal. Edema members no, any students no. Mumra, Monso Mope Friday wear. Edema workers. Bafu Polo, came our gold package. And on Tadano SMO Dream, silver package, SMO Dumum, and a bronze, and SMO Dum, or yet delivery. Echo Mama Panaba Pia. Bafu Polo and Tadano, so yes, Echo Pia. Now a Pamama, any member, Bafu Polo, and Kumasa and Marco Cobain, Santassi. Telephone 0249 600 789 and 0599 899 919 and Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. Answer you at Bafu Polo. Me say, so we say Bafu Polo dia. Oh, and you now in session.
Welcome to St. Andrews SHS. Higher grade A private SHS. Yeah, SHS courses near general art, science, business, no worker couple. Ever St. Andrews SHS, yeah, dinner ever pass. Osana one teachers now. What's your window? Discipline. No first one was yati. St. Andrews, Bibiara Waha, supermarket, sick bay, barber shop, swimming pool, FM station, constant water supply and electricity. Admission room condo, Hurricane Abade, Pico from say, what it jumbo from SHS 1, 2, and 3. St. Andrews SHS, what branches Bibiara Wagana, Sapade Paso Asia, St. Andrews, Saboko Schoola, School of I'm a Paso Wasi one time. St. Andrews SHS.
Well, Yemena Yemetwaso na fe yemfa local stories and brand name Boris B chicken. Boris B akokwanam no makachos de kama enti yabo mode so be pebi enso atona wa use say mufie mu say obeso yo stew anasempo obeso yo nkwan ahodo akokwanam we so use die manenya Boris B enso edian Boris B chicken kama ya packaging ye a chese we no halal enti say wo ton aduane anasempo mu amobese mo sevena moton safre na hofo mo be dibi ni nyina no so wadamfo bi Muslim na se nipa na be tobi dia on tomra esanse omo ana siesie aye nam ne ho adwuma kama nti halal a wotimi serve restaurant wotimi de ye adwuma enso a chese fast food aye joint awodo ene afiefie mu amo ye program sama nipa dom enso ba se ni nyina no Boris B chicken eno and also pebi enso eto ni full chicken and chicken thigh na chicken wings and afa gizzard and part bi a wo pebi ano obemo bi atoduduom unsabeka udru poku trading dum shell body junction asjimo tech and asas mwase market obeko Bantama High Street on Presby sorry edi enhwena fe Santa run about so no one unity oil edi enhwe 0544444453 now Boris B chicken enjoy so afemi ka say bafu polo so say yen kan to say brand be African printing and one we use at the palm the polo shirt what the palm a v-neck carry be palm a golf shirt was on the palm round neck a deba ko there and as a summer do when say palm ema there some palm ema there who place who order na watching on sabe kanimum say mo ye school and I say mo ye companies institutions am be say mo nyam Friday and I say Wednesday we on the bafu polo ekasa obebo adudo bia wo pebia no in less than a week on san so be kanina unya na bia aye bafu polo ebo so da from kama Ghana have a bia wo bia no ye be delivery ama unsa kan watade no ye wa henema kokobin of Santa se kwan so ya no wa frɛ 0249 600 789 and I say 0599 899 919 Bafu Polo and so abejo so 21st clinic expert in sciatica me say koho Nakwaje wayaresa esanse yade de yade hadwen yade ba na chesa ma asa wunsebi mpo na so nya sa na bia wo pe no yade bia ha no yade bia SCO ni pedwan mu aye kan se yade na suma no bomari anso bedru 21st na yisu abefum fidie ama oni pedwan afam na mpo ba bia yade bia hye bia no yeyi apie asamo no dro kama udru ho a yenso ano ne mum yetu ase ani se osiatic na ekan no ho na osiatic nerves no emu twetwon emu tutu emu ya ote ya wa bra wo twon nan a wote sa so efu sisi echi eba aya wo to ase ba osirem and the culture so nan kokom nan tu ene nan duanan kasa wotietia so na 21st clinic na beboama won so watu ase kama so your bana so your bema no obekwa kwaje wa yaresa ye wo sunwane won kranza yesan wo tachiman ye wo boase council quarters aya court junction anya ira kwan ye won kran domi market anafi yesan wo ye kumase ha ehwa overseas junction I ben Alpha Radio. I 0540 311 311 0249 311 311. Na chese onim penfono en kasa memfo so na opopani emra. Se so beso tu kwan ekwama no ne kwaye wadwuma. Obeso tu kwan ko suku. Se ope scholarship e so be ko university. And so be masters our brother Canada, US, UK and Australia. Obeso ram our Germany and as New Zealand Zealander Express Group and so and a bebow Express Group and a dobeko our requirement in no woman's arobefam ama passport on saka and what you saw your nursing we a midwife and as we health workers nibi na be so to us our man nso a ya brama visa wade ya be san hwa ma take it in sense no nyina no akoka ma na fe mo ambasa mo holidays nso Express Group say yen kan trust a break wo mo e wasafo labor and about on crying ya wo Kaneshi First Light and I feel drew aye takrade nso your market circle wo mo any hotel to fast food di enim hwe bibia nso mo ben court and I feel sunwane so mo ne Silver House building am na onsa ebeka no 0249 000448 and 0555 550067 Express Group and Pedofono Becca Sanchemu bi akabiano wonsa ensom ebeka loser fancy bibia I find it
oh nyame adom na wo so
nyame adom kakra
na yense sama odwa ya boaboa no ene anopai wo full time dwumadie so emfama mo afisem e hyase afri enura game todwa Kumase Baba Yara Sports Stadium na a second leg or CAF Confederation Cup semi-final game no na a Dreams FC and Zamalek and the Epim so na game no eba na wie na se Dreams FC etifie Kumase Baba Yara Sports Stadium ama Zamalek abesomo ekamiensa omo antimiante dwumadie ne shasia anche be 12 minutes and Abrant Hamza Matuliti enya chase kona bi ompa na sepetebedo na trene nya kasa Dreams bete na 27th minute Nigerian Abrantia yefana Samson Akinyola at the second goal eso at the atum na kwakwe 2 enwachi na Brante Mustafa Shalabi enya a third goal editum Edma Zamalek man kwa 3 Dreams antimante na anu kwani nyame nimnie Jantra supporter enwe piemo Kumase Baba Yara Sports Stadium Dreams fonya support papa support se Kumase and Ghana Edma Dreams no amo edimo amo emrante no so konkodinamo de siye na ebaye no na mom ni nyina no san krofo operation no Dreams anya de game be shase no mama Zamalek 4 at the ball ababa akwa to mpom babia akwande ball no kwoto one second goal no omugina de to ye na game no ba na se Zamalek enya qualification ekopim the finals enwe choma win no yenhwe omutim ni celebration omu denedi Kumase Baba Yara Sports Stadium yenhwe ni entie kakra Aiti ashana no ma ditemnu Zamalek omo fans na daje di poso omo ebebe piem no omo ni media no omo si media no simu si anim mu jana mo so wisie no block your view mo flags no banners no esisi anim omo Zamalek fans na kire media no sama na mo nkwa nkwa commentary no ya above for business enwa na daje ni poso kra enwa de si na game no banner we no coach Ivan Abdul Karim Zito Edima Dreams FC Ekasai Efa enu nkugo omu di ene qualification omu entime nya ne hwasa no ma de dem a yente coach Abdul Karim Zito Noma ba kumiyelu binti yeguso aye totototo noma yeguso aye totototo noma no enu ye coach Abdul Karim Zito so kan semebre edin samado tutu dwama aye Kennedy Buachi ansa cross be game ni de nsem tudwa former Kotoko player your friend Francis Akwafu Toti crab be game ba Toti kai so no wako Arab phone wako si akan ono board my alti adin said the Arabs no omuso maka enwom nyina ba be game di nsem awdo atutututu dwa na enwachi na Brante baako a ye fe na ageni Boaten na yente Toti ni nsem a Toti attitude ano
school for no wia made no made course for no match obi onya chance and coach school because of an parents be and as education background no low and ye pick ye ni esa course for na ko match ni
yɛhwɛ na yɛde nɔɔma gugu no akwam ne yɛde ama mo na yɛnhwɛ Agyenim Boateng Dream FC ɔmo player na enura ne supporter ɔno ankasa ne fans efiri ɛyɛ abroad nkwabaeɛ ɛbɛta n'akyi ɛma bia kam na game no ba na we na ebusa sɛ Agyenim Boateng wow fans efiri krom abroad nkwaba bɛta wɔkyi no jay ɛna bɛka de akyerɛ ɔmo.
I was so happy because baby I'm a Kobia I'm to me by supporting me my back up to me back unfortunately Kumasi on by many year I'm a friend I'm a catcher from Madu Kumasi now I was so happy meaning say Kumasi Park yeah but I'm mama I'm winning by unfortunately I'm Vanessa that's the mom now I was so happy.
Eno yensama Agyenim Boateng edi tudwa yede emamo odumeden so tese no ankasa ne fans ababeta na chi from abro dunkwa no na ni agiba be ko bi omo ba na enura so no mo yesanka obe pusu ntande amom ne nso no ankoye ni enwuram ni enhwa Ghana ye Premier League no March day 28 shall Friday and Saturday na nyame pa Wednesday and a phobia den ebe to dwa na Friday Legon Cities Brekum Chelsea abomu kamiensa omuti ekanu mienu na Saturday no ena aduana etena doma ahinkro ema Kerala United ebe bomo ekamienu a omuti ekanu baako na sa game way ena echense bebre aduana supporter baako a yefen Efa Emmanuel dodo na afre no aduana ba waso no de se loose way loose crojina nananom samafo aduana nananom monadin yente aduana fano
ekalala bona ko biye saye ilusu 2-1 enti lusu de ba no wajatu football droba gitu win ba wajatu nano nra ne for this mu be yes nsimbe biri ode menko ene lusu de lusu no e don san for saye re lusu a echidi sanye re lusu anye bat ene edena bobo
aduana no samanfo almost yesi free 10-11 kwa no mo nsa omonye enti oye aduana ba no na aduana ba omo na nwen eye aduana pack no o se lose the real lose a na nanom samanfo din nemom kutaji ni bi ensa chance e na nkrofo di supporters akoma to chacha egro medama se na nanom mun kenya mo ho mo so mo ho na mumma noma enkobo ne mfa mo yenwura mo bechem United ele Heart of Lions elbow 1-1 no mo game no eduba bi stop be 5 to 10 minutes ne nyina no say game no omo bona na bechem United nya corner eno bo corner no obi pem say panyan to atenam referee ase ball no enye goal adaya ball no efa line achi ene bae na the ten say before the game 4 officials on behind the game we no afre ompanyimfo catch them say lines they rasa chiachia na dana omofre nipa no in charge otwa lines edema eye bechem FC ombobo ekuo no ana catch them so omu roller na esom di twa lines no asai se do ode ahoma ya yedidi oburo no dry lines ya bi no anya paint aka no de twa lines no ono so ani pe bedu ba kra na ekom de no bedu bi na chaso abre esa lines ntimi chiachia eno no ono so ka kire omo enti referee se so okwana no mboy no mo pem ye no ehye no enye go eno so mo ti ase enye ye ka bi mo stop game no ma na check akransa na game no esa ba aba beto aso eno ye nkyeremu a ye de ema mo ene odwumadie no so na eguso wura ma kotoko team no after menshia team na ye Asante Kotoko no omuko takwa Akun Park Saturday kobo 1-1 ena game by Dr. Ogum ekasente nsema doctor editu yenim.
I'm so convinced. I'm so happy about what the way we played. I think, especially in the first half, we tried to take the game to them, which resulted in us having some few chances in front of goal, one of which actually resulted in a goal. And I think in the second half, when we came, we sat back and we gave them the time and the space on the ball to press us with the ball. And out of that, they got a penalty. I think Mediama also played well. They were hungry for the points. You could see, even though they were down down, they didn't give up, and they got the equal.
Omo abodwuma na medema so anwom ho omo dafom nyina na omo try so benya equalizer etim benya Dr. Nate Ogum and the nsem tudana kotoko say omo youth no U17 omo say say the normal didam omo dey release via ba kotoko youth team begin screening. The management of Asante Kotoko Sporting Club is pleased to inform the sporting community and its stakeholders that it has concluded scouting for for some talented young players in their various communities in Kumasi to commence our U17 youth team process. Then I said the omanya 50 players omo eba be shase omo trimi abeka 25 ewo Adako Judge Training Center na ya omo share exercise na say am bia kam omo say under 17 omo be yes celebrate my kema na omo tima promote omo do about the senior side be the next 2 years no ma be koye e de amakotoko boboko no na Abednego Tete na no the Gold Stars e be PM Nations and on be ball 1-1 Abednego Tete Zlatan eso e kase intensema odituda come wrong ways. No, yeah, mon fanche normal bakubi technicians no yenti.
Stars team is supporters don't normal team and one of which and education many boys killing the exercise. Then the player may volleyball and team first we dream team first team the team. It was a team that's one before me. It's me happy say the team will play that and they really
Eno aya branta Abednego Tete and I would say or then some to go after so many nations a ball a year 1-1 no na and watch no young Ramian a league table no na ere so far after match day 28 send a league table it Samates Edikan with 52 points Nations FC toss me no 45 points Piana toss me so 42 points in Swatraman toss 9 or 41 points Brekum Chelsea toss 41 South Chem United toss 40 points Mediama Tosun son 40 points Accra Lions Tosun Woche 40 points Gold Stars Tosun Kuno 39 points Legon Cities Tosudu 38 points Asante Kotoko Tosudu Bako 37 points Out of Folk Tosudu Mienu 35 points Kerala United Tosudu Miansa 34 Great Olympics Tosudu 9 33 Dreams FC Tosu Dunum 31 points outstanding games Makumako 4 ebo Bofo Kwatano Etosudunsia 31 points Out of Lions Etosudunso 29 Real Tamale United Aswan Ketaguna Omachatwa 25 points eno ediete na yemram Atebebu na se ombese ye mpanyimfo so enhwe na no ram Atebebu Buffer Cup ekoso bono half for Regional Football Association cup no na Atebebu Experience and Sky Force and Elbow na bono and sombo 2-2 na 2-2 no edu penalty shootout and a branch friend Mustafa Mohamed ekojina achire na obosa penalty we no and a referee friend referee Al-Hassan Jigo Obo Ojigo and I'm super experience we need 5-4 e dey qualify komanem and supporters and say penalty we dey penalty
that be say o matwam you kan so
o matwam ba referee Jigo
that be
enti o say dani achinye pa enu ne Mustafa
o say first na players ne ye ana FIFA mbe share mra say so wo di kan dru bon na sheku ti say name amode ne bi dia o say ma bo no foforo what must say think also man born for
but referee a friend referee Alasa Jigo
Emma so goalkeeper no kwa pejana nsa
supporters no kwa so monte ase nti achinye ekoso ho a ye de so eba no nti fancy walkathon no so no na no Saturday break story say yenu aba kwa friend no Said Rafiu or ye walkathon from Techman to Accra Emo shase na no Friday no anopa 8 am Techman or nante about 1:15 no adu kwade na nani su bri no ɛma ɔkɔda akɔdeɛ hospital ɔda hɔ kakra ɛbɔ anɔpa no bɛyɛ 10 no doctors bɛhwɛ ɔmo sɛ aduane na wɔnni no na ma n'ani so birintu obɛtumi atoa so ɔtoa so ama Saturday obɛduru Soame odura Sompa nim ha nie ɛma yɛne ne didi nkɔma na me no kasa ya wɔtwam wanyinam a wɔdu Linda door say ni break time aso a odidi anopa ya mi run na odidi nto
o mi wona ma sa wa bandage ne na left ne kwa easy o from bade do wie dia also mo pen shebe on pa bi dine shepe kra
odu Soame no na no Saturday no odu Soame anim ha ni ye
okay
aha otwem Soame atra gobewura no ambulance ne di lechi no ambulance di akire ha Ghana flag no to bonu kom kama
ori also nyeskapa
luta na omo di na chi no mo so na ntibiala
da bi o so ka ni we sanyo na na Saidu Rafiu na sanyo na fans ni team nto omo na nteka kakra no wabra no wakotem na mo ni so ni mo nyina
bi mu TV na tere de ko register bi ka wo ka na TV akabe
na Atapoku aid say
mo do a chair moral kind of
na say ko register bi ale na mo nyina
moral kind of
because me ko bi na ask one
say Atapoku ya bema na so timi na ntifi Soame kokode ni amfana nto bibi mu a me to challenge amano yam passport
yen shede tana
from Soame run about to Kwadie
what's that sponsors
what pass the only message be body
from how to Kwadie
Atapoku
menya den
yabe my bicycle
me wia
yeah my bicycle
na ze CSC for na to cry am no
what was ebidiaba
now whatever my go papers there
school mo akro mo na ntwa school mo sia
professional okay but yemra na fe yemra meto so live on Sompa 93.1 Betway regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana above 18 years and you come for Betway a day emamo Betway say get way more www.betway.com.gh register and found your money shame na fe found ho eto so Betway be more diska na for sikasem enso aye kama onu twa ya odi apeni etu ya dia ma okọ momo vendor bia ho so be so ya deposit on be ye enso ama ewa bra wo mra ho Ghana gross dwumadie no ye boa ama chese youth manya dwumaye agriculture agribusiness about technical and vocational skills between the ages of 15 and 35 years or your banners or your bema Ghana gross your career guidance your counseling your essential skills training be here now day a day ujuma ni nyina no obefra 0308 255775 meza
fancy
me so so me na fe
yes ma yenche tiefo na mame enwehye utipoma happy birthday na utipoma yemi aba or physician assistant or Wisdom Hospital, private hospital, or Kronum Kapra.
Why did that?
Kronum Kapra. Na Kramono waji day.
I know I can.
Okay. One also yeah, my boss birthday.
The Don Summer one. The Don Summer one.
Wish summer happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Auntie baby will be I'm saying by no news.
Oh yes, of course.
Don Summer one.
Yeah, Don Summer.
I did on Betiaka. On Betiaka.
Yes, fancy. Interestingly, Enra Yetiminya dream
Sompa Sports
about the return leg of the CAF Confederation Cup. Now, there are a lot of things that went on in the game, but I make us will say, fancy. Say, Okwa Soria. You definitely understand that your mommy and son did dance was as issue. Issue, Moja, and a home. Spirit, blood, and water. Me, baby, I'll be to me at now, baby. Me, I'm a TSC, I firm Akumia Jemfi. I never dispute the quality and the tactical approach of Zamale coming into this game. They are too solid and they are too experienced. At this stage, you say, "Compete Mama Dreams are fanedikwa." They know what it means to represent their clubs at this level. But fancy, on any day. Said you jari fi anopa obon pa esere rade se rade man ani munyam ntos no ma good luck no sana at the end of the day no obi epie na so no so koye na ade a osere mpaibo ebon pa say onya good luck ana onya nimanyam bi ana say ni madum bi na ni o pushing in fancy baby o pese o ye dey oko. And there were some things they see will give me more fancy di Maria.
As me pictures be before the game now will be posade be or
the pictures are already and as fan to so had ye. And the Quran inside right in say. On say Anna o jam cars in museum of a cars in museum or more trap photos of park and chino. Most of the time if you want to see what really went on sometimes I'm the best people to tell you. Me therefore photo as for power for this particular. Me na minima de kodia no crane nyame ni me na minima de crowd go back there. Okay. It after the game no, ana me approach Murphy. Ana Murphy catch him say akwa na be pitch e we pity nchine. Zamalek ni pay we pity nchine.
Nchine so neutralize.
Nchine na ekuta no. Ana me say da bi me ma no so wa. Ana me busa the graft ayala. You trap some passport. Also the same thing said there be akwane de nchine na be yede. Ebe pete o nipa mienu anomotipo na chi. Remember video we say so. But fancy share baby ano na ma wo de ade ne kogu achiri.
So hold the position be was Zamalek team ni mu a onya access to her.
Asem no no. Ah we yes anu ma we nyina wi. Aha. Ana first half no. Ye boy na Zamalek eda.
As we are lucky ho.
Aha. Ana first half no na Zamalek eda. Na ansana ye bebo kick off am be pass ni aye toss wi. Ye toss wi aye ni baby obi aye dey. Ekoda.
Yeah.
Amucho pictures no. Ana Zamalek player. Efa ball baako. Ana odi tru mi kanante ya be ball ne to. Dreams FC netim. Enye ball baako. Ke ball baako
obi akwa gina na half na you say we be da.
We be da na. Amucho picture no. Ana baako fa ball. Sasa Zamalek phone twom picture wi na baako fa ball. Ana odi dream ka free omo side ho na de ball no koto. Dreams FC netim. Fani se o de bibia ni ho. Gimmicks. Then almost had the boy to sumienu. Esa so call ya sado koto sadeti. And so your boy first half ni wi no. Your boy na ajenim. Efa ball. Ana ajenim so ko boto. Zamalek. Obotom na kinola. Zamalek Nigerian striker no. Eso fa ball no so ba no so boto. Jesus for netting. And before I ever started game, Nankasana dreams for warm up, no maba. Omoba any nyina na there was an operation officer with the Zamalek team. No need na tan on him you say. Ehwe omudi. Dreams FC here the ombe bi every four corners no with the flag in the way. Ana omuni pa we say no social access no so here dey. Eba.
Nigeria no
I was there with Kofi Wusu Oboblekum Chelsea.
Sompa Sports.
Yana Kofi Wusu catch me playing so me consider 2 goals. About things say Blekum Dreams FC. Ebete ba kokra na obeche go back first half.
Wow.
These are players who have been there before.
Yeah.
These are players from Ghana Premier League ni they know the spiritual connotations of some of these things.
Menkofo inu kra no omone ugly no. Omo nkan e wo ho. Basa ba ku 2 kwan se ugly edi kan ba Kumase. Omejom se Jack okwa menti ya how far ha sia. Omono de drew say be a rivalry to say be a Real Madrid and a Barca rivalry no ho. But basically Samabonso Florentino Perez and Laporta ya one.
Tina na me pen komodi dia ye ne mpanyimfo bi omadi bo achi achi di nkomo no. They will tell you the things that is involved.
Some passports.
Na omudi na e bia tactically omuntimi match Zamalek. Quality player for player omuntimi match. So on the day you pray for luck. Luck na be bon pie no so ba no wasa bon pie na be ye nyoma bi ama luck na sa ye dey. Akwa ma nti wo ba bu susuro. Se wonje bibi endi a team no kwade se Janwan Galaxy. Omo na call work. Any work ekobo. Omo ye nyoma bi wi omo win game ni ba 1-0. Adenti na eduru mi akomo se be sa de ni biem no. Work am omo kwan se ma monye.
David, sure.
And the stadium has become too exposed. Stadium no emo be 24 hours before the game. So free says Zamalek 4 and Jishinia. Na bo video na me de send the one for to screen is near.
So we say no. On say you can experience fine to say be a Zamalek experience a change dreams. But me feel say your debutant be on so bad Celesta or bad Premier League 2016 and Babaji no
omo dressing room na ho no betra ho
Vicha Silva Danabaraba
no mo de ho na betra monks so wunji bibi ni wo
it was a dreams and when omufie ni
omufie ni wei on be dia kwane de nchini gu ye no ye wie game na Samale supporters omuko gina ho twitwa pictures was up post no ana omudo omu flag inti mpanyifo stadium mo na rush wo ka cho mo so mo mpene mo mfa sa mo fa adenti na ho ne de nchini gu yi adenti na ho ne pon game no ye go post mienu na wo mo and your packs ho omo anya ba bia ntwa picture for mo flag and sense sa post ni so and I'm telling you for a fact so say first half no chances are Dreams FC nyan will post we ho pa Dreams FC antimi ahye ball
serious
chances are Dreams FC nyan wo ha first half no mo antimi afa ball na Antoinette no so omo nti bibia se a wo the fans ever say bibia ni wo there is no spiritual connotation attached to everything that you are doing but the thing you be match Ojam Boami bi. Dey tin ye be wie match. Na poster first half. Enye second half e ho na goalkeeper die yo. Poster first half e ho na goalkeeper die. O supporters habegi na ho. E pese o mo de flag chechire no mo se twitwa ho pictures. Fancy. Me say whatever the NSA also did 24 hours before the game, I'm saying it point blank. Man adie. Mama mo ho kwan ama. Kromo ase ye GBBD. The NSA is very lucky that this is Dreams FC. Mamen can be NSA mutra ye pa say we Dreams FC.
I don't blame so many mama.
Fancy everything was open clear. 24 hours to a crucial game. You see when Zamalek Igbo game me sure say Cairo Stadium na nyomo dia wo. But anything to help the cause of a national assignment, you don't joke with it. This was a national assignment and we failed Dreams FC. We failed Dreams FC. You failure mo. Ya bemu bagaya. There are things we want more be pemu kromasi amount for fen agro. And sad no mu fi se mu bie ma ha obi a. Ene Dreams FC na mo ha no. Because obi be bibi wo park no so na ye open a Black Star ball ho. So ni mu a me kan si so biem. E ho na Black Star be ball mu games. Si anya transport stadium anya Cape Coast here me probably qualify for Confederation Cup bia na Champions League bia ahia no be sa bebo no o person qualify for World Cup
me say what hit here
what they did what name did you aside no oh my case day out
you go carry how they want me
what a joke
bia go virus bro mama quick na member bishop
Fancy the TN say Dreams FC level 1 no madru no no mo level 1 no because mo nya match when it's Zamalek when you match mismatch but the Ghana for hopes course through was the fact say Yakobo draw and so Zamalek feel Cairo but in the game we forget say the way a game is called the day no one you lucky Jomba and I say my hopes be say Yakobo draw or the MJ beat my baby of ye and the baby say no more bar say no matter NCC koye but the truth of the matter I say Dreams have nya chances are necessary almost share on the day the person we felt say he was the one experience he will lead them no eventually on the buyer I didn't be see to another team the chances they were missing no this performance at Dreams FC born in Rano ombutia Ghana in Premier League teams in baby crown be Dreams FC and no abon boy no so ombutia look at this is not a performance and Dreams de my on Africa no be me say they need ko mutrim e ma ne yo mo say ya Zamalek
e we kana no pay say me hu say ase trim de kakra
ndi betimi no ma bo ha e na ebebie mu ne no mbo en say yinya de yinya no Zamalek for no in terms of bibio mu nim ye chen yen ball no mu nim bo chen yen financially they are capable operation wise they are there dombe no be ye bibia and no people were at the stadium young guys omukro Zamalek raise band omukro flags oh park in this o
my fly on the do my back
there began for I can count as many as 10 guys are omu Zamalek omu raise band and omukro flag hey some now omu
kachi
oh omu kachi so and do my bibia no e de ba be si so e no wa be
sports so munya bi mu kra be si wo mo so wa ha
na ye wo pajo ya hu se no omo ya rehearsals ho na omo ye here for omo ya hefo enti no omo ni abre o and omo ba bi omo beko bia no omo wosika na betima ye taa ne ma no mpese omo ye no enti bibia e bekum bia omo timi ye and omo ba be ye ni ye no matima ye afi
ade bia o wiase bia o price
yes but the truth of the matter is say baby dreams adri yen condemn omo omo ya ade nobody give them the chance they will get to this point omo matima ba be winning game experience omo enso timenya enti they will learn from it. Now going forward, no matter me to talk to India momo. So the way na Zamalek for any bobo now. Your bar second half no. Omo we game in the 17th minute. They decide not to play again.
Want to me nya ho hweme.
Omo decide say mobo ni biem. Enti ba be mo jibo na. Omo team ball passes no ho baby 2-3 minutes. No bobo no. Omo fa man ni mu because they believe say the more we know, omo conserve our energy for the bigger game. You love one no dream service in dabi yenye match but say that come here can say over the way I ne dream service ko na me gidi so many dreams and in the sa sika sem no and see a BA stadium no ama man for kwa say children's day out as them you give up and remember they pay attention to little details. They will feed on our deficiencies, you know. They will feed on it.
Me say, oh, then I'll be you be ground, sir. Omumba in a crown. Oh my God, can you be obey Juma mano? Oh, deficiencies, they'll get you there. Because one, no matter so I come, you know, I can't sacrifice. You go there, you pay like 1,000 Ghana. They can go there and give like a baby 10,000. I'm on Njaya mistake eno wa bewe eno mo komu ni bo ne bo chai eno masan be ye nioma na omdi na fans kakra no mba no nim koso o ne nzentrofo o ne flag sin nzentrofo anim nzentrofo nso o se nzentrofo nhu a o mo konchen kakra no wa yin de o mo nyi view ali for the buy no o betena press for no anim was o mo so far flex no o mo for team against me the o dundum no ana we mo maso David night
sa yi na wo omode sa glass bia no o ma frako dina so o pese o tisi mo aso bi o ka den we mo maso din o mo ye no mu sense ntofo nye no omode sality be so me bo ase wo se be gina pampi dia mo mo omode se mu hu amon content kakra enye omo enti no these guys ade a no ba be ye adwuma no and say the last time na ye kan wa ha no omo game no be ni wa
Sompa Sports
the last one future stars they won at omo home 2-1 no they qualify ebia 3 next call line na be say bia I would do the way as my home CD but the truth of the matter na say ball no ankasa no omini ball ne boche o maba na be ye frame yembo empire say e betima ye nneoma yi na moving forward no ye teams be ko animu but nye dreams have free film na me there but say na nya brain a first slot no e ka
Matevas Bishop
Ansi me ka just na mo stadium wa be jedi
Kumasi
yeah
Samu Ufi takra de san ba
mi
takwa asebe
mi ne tetezuta ni ejina ni ho a me catch here almost and look this the environment is primed for Zamalek to come and do their job
Samu
oh yeah wo be a free gate ni pa e kon Kumasi stadium no e was soon do for anticlimax and that expectation the be kosoro pa no so I don't know mo chire say o Kotoko ni beja na haya no mbo no. So no makobo draw. No mabeshe first goal ha. Ti Kotoko were on their way. No beja ya dumja no. Fancy. Yeah, let the conversation should be strictly about dreams. They have no right to even dream to this level. But their dreams were made valid by their own effort. Etua Hene, Aziz, Issa, Agbeshi, you guys have covered yourselves in glory. Bobo, Kama, and then the model Marco Duha. When you're 4-2-3-1, 4-4-2, and then they be some fancy. Maybe dreams a modern money do on be Druno, and they won't drew you. Until you better, Naya Kayanotum, Nay,
Sompa Sports,
and your Kotoko, and your house. Nansu Minu, I had the Quafino. They made it to the group stage. And one made it to the semi-finals.
Yes, Bishop, you need
didn't say I demonstrated a kaya green amount for Ntiase. And now I'm Mijina.
Siska, my okay.
Method is now I'm a Calvary. Nipa a 2 Kababe a free, they're fine. But people, a Zamalek Naban. So,
Because in clubs, not to cut you, maybe I'm the ugly buy. Dreams the Zamalek about wine beam.
Dear Beam Naga.
Africa wine beam.
Finalist for Confederation Cup.
Recently, Susan has for the work and so by.
Into yes, Remupi, Casano, I didn't know some passports. What George interview now, Monsa and Cobo. George interview Samoa, Monsa and Bo, Money George Kasai. Area Bampa Mompesa interview into Alali Beba Chroma Moon for Felix Abaji. Now, as a man like a Bobo Chroma, Omonco, Unconco, George, you took an eye say Mano Quashu. No, they were here, Omunim Yanomo Bepa.
Tuni Panton,
Debbie, saying. Debbie, fancy. Tiesre, would be a chances to Malburgu, and yet a Debbie Neba. Dreams were too lucky in Egypt. They were too lucky. Because Zamalek bought chances no. Ntino Zamalek are command boy exceptional football. Yeah, they were just efficient. Get a chance and punish them. Take their moments. Omonkobo final. I had the dreams that saw FA Cup. Young Bumpires on the barge beam. No one who say I saw it. Yet
when you say the
Munkoni and Kobobi. Yes, Repi. When in your casa be Bribiana, we call you say, and I will call you say, and I will see a Jama Mubeka can see a Kajonentry experience or Boguye. I didn't boating any experience or not Boguye. So
I'm almost George your voice now ready.
I'm on board.
Okay.
My bottom strategies are really much so. Lose we corner kicks in almost that case and could come in so who over there no money to me and say well you know talk about the heading and you can say there's a form or maybe there's a mock about going to
at the end of George Recano NCO Stadium.
Yes, a pieces no.
Yes, Remupi. I just want a munim tactics 4-4-5 2-2-6.
4-4-5 yes na burusu
yes Remupi born ya boy we twa dreams omunim born since Zamalek nti yema obi anko gina ba bi anko to bibia. There are genuine concerns in Doma, very genuine concerns. It has triggered investigations.
Exactly.
Yeah. And club now has conducted investigations and then you would hear about it. Yes.
That's serious.
It's very serious. Then we say the media has not picked it up. We know the support. There is more happening. The club has decided to shield the and then rather deal with the issue decisively. Into another TV.
Oh, yeah. Adriana Stars.
Yes. Club no.
Because a fan will go to this level, there means or evidence.
And then almost a CBB so. A year was stadium on Sunday, no. Now, let me tell you a big story. Adriana and Karela, Monsanfa League table number. Now, Monfanko Asieho.
From 10, Elko.
Good. To 3 points, if we Karela points, no more than
30.
31.
Say, Karela was 34 to 31, yeah.
Before was
31.
Between Karela and Bofu, when now you said you are now power, so be save you, be able to save you. So that result Karela got the biggest loser ever Bofu. No, like okay, Bonashe. Sediana share, Bofu benefits from the result. So it has triggered quite a lot there. Eba church in some way
Archbishop
Margaret Asantua ewo bibiedi. Young baby girl Maggie oye bibiedi Gold Stars #1 supporter.
Sompa Sports.
Much love from us to you. Now ye my you so happy birthday Maggie. I mean shout. Now the oye bibiedi na Gold Stars so ntimi nhye bebre na weninje. Happy birthday Maggie.
Oh, Bishop, I say, Yaba Befa course no, Yans toothpaste, Yas toothbrush, Adarma, ye famo, Ofre Bianso, a productive free or more. Togbe, Banke Kazigblibo, so Kalu.